How to create Pinterest account. Hello everyone and welcome to Tech Talk. If you want to create a Pinterest account, all you need to do is follow these few simple steps. So first thing first, open your Pinterest app and then use this page. So here on middle of your screen you will find this option email address. So simply tap on it and enter your email address. So type in your email address and then tap on continue located right below it. Now create a password for your Pinterest account. So type whatever you want and then after typing password tap on this next button. Now it will ask you for your name. So simply enter your name. So type in your name and then tap on next again. And then it will ask you for your date of birth. So simply enter your date of birth. So here you will find the three sliders. So simply scroll it down or up and find your date of birth. And then tap on OK. Now again tap on next. And then it will ask you for your gender. So simply select any of it. And then enter your country of residence. It will automatically track your country. But if you want to change it, simply tap on it. And then select whatever country you want to change into. So after selecting the country, again tap on next. Now we are almost done. So simply select any of their interests. You can select any of them. You can even find more options when you scroll down. So tap on any and then tap on next. And then last step, select 3 or more ideas that inspire you. So simply select any of them. Whatever you select will be shown on your feed. So select any of them. And then tap on next. And within few seconds, your Pinterest account will be successfully ready. Here you can see I have successfully created my Pinterest account and hope you can do so. So this is all you need to do to create a Pinterest account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Follow us for more helpful tutorials. Subscribe.